Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to Calmlish English. This is your safe space to rest. This is your gentle time to listen. Here, you practice English with peace. Here, you heal with words. Here, you prepare for sleep. Every script is soft. Every word is simple. Every moment is for you. Tonight's theme is let the day be light. Because sometimes we carry the day too heavily. We hold the worries. We hold the mistakes. We hold the pressure. But tonight, we will not hold them anymore. Tonight, we let the day become light. Take a deep breath in. Hold it softly. Now, let it go slowly. Again, breathe in calm. Breathe out the heavy day. Breathe in rest. Breathe out stress. Each breath makes the day lighter. Each breath makes you softer. The day is over now. You have done enough. You have tried enough. You have given enough. You don't need to carry more. You don't need to fix everything. You don't need to push yourself now. The night is here to carry you. The night is here to help you. The night is here to hold you. Say softly to yourself, I can let the day go. I can rest now. My heart can be light. These words are simple. These words are true. Imagine you are holding a bag. This bag is heavy. It is full of the day. It has your worries. It has your stress. It has your fears. It has your mistakes. Now, put this bag down. Place it gently on the ground. You don't need to carry it tonight. Feel your hands free. Feel your back soft. Feel your heart lighter. You are free now. You are light now. The stars are above you. They are shining softly. They do not ask you to do more. They just shine. They just glow. They just rest in the night sky. You are like the stars. You do not need to try hard now. You can just be. You can just rest. You can just shine gently. Say again to yourself, I let the day go. I let myself rest. I let my body be light. Each word makes you softer. Each word makes you calmer. Now, imagine a soft river under you. The river flows slowly. The river is peaceful. The river carries everything away. Throw your worries into the river. Watch them float away. Throw your stress into the river. Watch it disappear. Throw your fears into the river. Watch them sink into the water. The river is strong. The river is gentle. The river takes care of you. You do not need to carry the day. The river carries it for you. Now listen to your heart. It is calm. It is steady. It says to you, you are safe. You are loved. You are free. Your heart is lighter now. Your mind is softer now. Your body is calmer now. Say softly, I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to do everything. I don't need to carry the day. I can rest. I can sleep. These words are your gift tonight. These words are your truth tonight. Now, imagine a soft bed under you. The sheets are gentle. The pillow is kind. The blanket is warm. The bed whispers to you, lay down your day. Lay down your fears. Lay down your weight. You are safe in this bed. You are safe in this night. You are safe in this moment. Take one more slow breath. Let it go softly. Let your eyes feel heavy. Let your heart feel light. Let your body feel safe. The day is gone now. The night is here. You are here. And you are enough. And you are loved. And you can sleep. Say one last time, I let the day be light. I am light. I rest now. Sleep well, dear friend. Sleep deeply. Sleep with peace. This is Calmlish English. This is your quiet. This is your healing. This is your rest. Good night, my dear one. Good night.